Hi friends, um, welcome to the channel again. The topic of this video is how you can convert your liabilities into assets and end up reducing your liabilities and increasing your assets. So, um, basically, the only or the most practical way to convert your liabilities into assets is by offering up your liabilities or what you own to other people and generating income as such. Uh, let's think about a house that you own, for example, uh, and if you have a mortgage on it, you're making monthly mortgage payments, right? So it's taking money out of your pocket, and that makes it a liability. Um, Even if you don't have a mortgage on your house, if you own your house, you still have to spend significant amount of money on repairs, maintenance, renovations, taxes, homeowners association fees, etc., etc. The costs keep piling up. Um so again, since it's taking money out of your pocket, it's a liability. That's the definition of a liability. Uh, so now, if you want to convert your liability into an asset, it needs to put money in your pocket. So you need to be able to generate income with your house. So how do you do that? Offer your house to other people for rent. If you have a spare room that you don't use as much, put it up for rent. Generate income with that. If you have multiple rooms that are not utilized, you can rent all of them and generate income. And once you're in a spot where the income you're generating outweighs your total expenditure on the house, including mortgage payments, including repairs, renovations, maintenance, fees, taxes, once your income is greater than all of those combined, then your house is an asset. It's not a liability anymore. Uh, Another aspect to think about is, when you go out of town, for example, for vacation or for business purposes, consider renting your whole house out to a family or somebody who's on vacation, visiting the area. Um that's the whole premise of Airbnb. A lot of people in the US do that when they're out of town, on vacation, on business, whatever the reason is. They would, put up their house on Airbnb, rent it out, and generate enough income, especially if it's in the summertime, vacation time. They would generate enough income to outweigh their total expenditure on the property, and as a result, their house then becomes an asset. Um, so think about that. That's one way to convert your house into an asset. Similarly, as another example, think about a car that you own, for example, and if you have financed your car, you're making monthly payments on it, and it's taking money out of your pocket, so it's a liability for you. Uh, Even if you own your car, you still have to pay money on it, on maintenance, repairs, again, registration, taxes. If you get pulled over, you may have tickets that you pay on it as well. So, nevertheless, it becomes a liability because it takes money out of your pocket. So, how do you convert your car into an asset? Again, offer it up to other people, uh, utilize it to generate income. You can, you know, um, let somebody else drive your car as an Uber or a Lyft and generate income. You can split the income with that person. Or if you have time, you can drive it yourself as an Uber or Lyft and generate income. And once your generated income is greater than your total expenses, then your car is an asset for you at that point. So think about that. That's how you can convert your car into an asset. Um, Another option to convert your car into an asset is by putting up ads on your car. One of my friends does that. He puts up ads on his car, and they're removable, so they don't damage your car. They're removable, and he gets a certain commission on those and generates income, and he made his car an asset for himself that way. So there are many similar methodologies you can use to convert your liabilities into assets, but all of them will be around offering up your items, the things you own, to others for them to utilize and pay you in return. Uh, so think about that. That's the most easiest way and the only way I've seen that's practical in converting liabilities into assets. Uh, I hope you find this information useful, and if you have any questions, leave your comments at the bottom of the video, and I will try my best to respond to those. Uh, until next time, take care of yourself. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.